Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Sedona. Sedona has the highest safety rating of any minivan on the market. With its comfortable ride, quiet cabin, and seating for up to 7 passengers, the Sedona is a great choice for any on-the-go family and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, security system, rear window defroster, trip computer, electronic stability control, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.